Hello guys, I'm back again with another video. We got here Ford Focus. It's a common problem with this car and coolant leaking from heater matrix core. Basically from this joint. Yep. So it's kind of easy fix, I would say. I got the part from the dealer, two plastic clamps, and it comes with two rubber washer. Had to remove these two metal hoses about, and this is a tricky bit. Let's make it a close-up. Yeah. So inside here you can see there is a grooves. So you had to put that two rubber washers inside there and apply some WD-40 around the surface, and they push those holes back, and after that just put the plastic clamp. That's all about. Thank you so much. I'll see you with another video.